Let's start our video with the first lesson of class 9th Matter Around Us. In this video, you are going to learn about three states of matter. They are solids, liquids, and gases. See, children, when we look at something, our brain knows whether it is a solid, liquid, or gas. In this video, you are also going to learn about the properties of matter. They are shape and volume, compressibility, and or the rigid or fluid. Let us compare them in a more scientific way. First of all, let's start with solids. Look at on the screen, children. Here, examples of solids given. They are cuboid, cube, and sphere. Do solids have a fixed shape? Yes. Solids always have fixed shape. Do solids have a fixed volume? Yes. Solids have a fixed volume because the shape does not change. So, how can we find the volume? Yes, the volume of cuboid is L into B into H, already proved. Also, volume of cube is A cube. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then, how can we find the volume of an irregular objects? Yes, you are absolutely right. By using Archimedes liquid displacement technique, we can easily find out volume of an irregular objects. For example, my watch. Yeah, children, let us move on to the next property, compressibility. Take any solid, try to press it hard. What changes did you observe? You observe no change. So, solids are incompressible. Are they rigid or fluid? Fluid is the term which can flow. So, solids cannot flow. That's why solids are rigid. Next, move on to the liquids. Do liquids have a fixed shape and fixed volume? Yes, liquids have a fixed volume but not fixed shape. They occupies container shape because take 100 ml of water in a beaker, pour them in another beaker. The volume, the level of the water, nothing but doesn't change. So volume is fixed and the shape is changed. Shape doesn't fixed. So next, compressibility. Liquids are compressible. Are they rigid or fluid? Yes, liquids are fluid. They can flow from one container to another container, from one place to another place. That's why liquids are fluid. Next, gases. Do gases have a fixed shape and volume? Yes, gases neither have a fixed shape nor fixed volume because of a large space between them. So, we can say that gases are highly compressible from large container to small containers. For example, LPG, CNG, we are using cylinders at home. They are highly compressible. Are they rigid or fluid? Yes, gases are fluid. They can flow. Actually, what is the reason behind them? Let us understand in a particle level. See, children, take water. See, water can exist in three forms: solids, liquids, and gases. See, the three forms of water are given. Look at the screen. Ice is a solid form of water, liquid water, and water vapor, it's a gaseous form. In this way, water is the only example which can exist in three forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Why this happen? Let us try to understand. Actually, what is a matter? Matter is made up of a tiny particles. Whatever you take, it is made up of a tiny particles. For example, chalk piece, stone, dust, etc., etc. It is made up of tiny particles, and the force of attraction between particles changes as the particles tightly packed in solids. So the force of attraction is very strong. And coming to the liquids, force of attraction between the particles in liquids is weak because the particles are arranged with the small gaps. Due to this gap, the force becomes weaker. And in gases, as the more space occupied by the particles in gases, the force of attraction will be very less. So coming to the space between the particles in solids, liquids, and gases, as already we discussed, space between the particles in solids small, space between the particles in liquids medium, space between particles in gases are high. Yeah, children, I hope you understand well. Now prepare prepare a small notes on properties of matter. Okay, thank you.